Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best teacher notepads bulk available on the market, the Cute Teacher Icons Sticky Notepads by Gotcha Covered Notebooks. These sticky notes are designed with educators in mind, offering both functionality and charm in one neat package. Each set includes 6 sticky notepads, and each pad contains 50 sheets, giving you plenty of notes to jot down reminders, messages, or quick sketches throughout your busy day. Measuring 4 inches by 3 inches, these sticky notes are perfectly sized, not too big to be cumbersome, yet spacious enough to write clear, concise notes. They stick securely to a variety of smooth surfaces such as notebooks, desks, refrigerators, or even classroom whiteboards, thanks to their strong yet residue-free adhesive. What really makes these sticky notes stand out are their delightful modern designs. Each pad features a unique, playful icon related to teaching, like a pencil, globe, apple, notebook, stars, and lined paper backgrounds. These icons aren't just cute, they also add a bright, cheerful touch to your workspace and make organizing your notes more fun and visually appealing. Whether you're a teacher looking to keep your classroom organized or searching for a thoughtful gift for a fellow educator, these sticky notes fit the bill perfectly. Beyond aesthetics, the quality is impressive. Made in the USA, these sticky notes use durable paper that holds up well to writing with various pens and markers. The adhesive performs consistently well without damaging surfaces or leaving sticky residues behind, which is crucial for anyone who frequently repositions notes during their day. If you're preparing for back-to-school season, teacher appreciation events, birthdays, or simply want to add a little flair to your daily reminders, these notepads are a great choice. Their combination of practicality and appealing design elevates everyday tasks, helping keep things organized with style. In summary, the Cute Teacher Icons Sticky Notepads offer 6 fun and functional pads, each loaded with 50 sheets, ideal size, high-quality paper, reliable adhesive, and charming teacher-themed designs. This set truly brings a fresh, useful, and visually engaging tool to the educator's desk. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for teacher notepads that blend function and fun, this set is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and reviews. See you next time.